A double convex lens is made of a glass as refractive index is 1.55 for violet and 1.5 for red. If the focal length of violet is 20, focal length for the red. Double convex lens means it has two different radius, R1 and R2. This radius R1, R2. So focal length. So when they used the violet, violet, they given a refractive index is this much. That in that case, focal length is given, a violet focal length is given. So that is 1 by 20, which is equal to refractive index of violet is 1.55 minus 1 into what, tell me, 1 by, so R1, yes, minus 1 by R2, okay. So this value 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.55 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Next, thus another case is what, tell me now, we should find the focal length f2. Now in this case, refractive index 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Correct, only we have substituted now. They given, okay, violet focal length is given, red focal length we need to find. So if I have taken the ratio between these two, f2 by 20, which is equal to what, tell me now, 0.55 by 0.5. Now we can simplify, get the f2 value. So this value we can say now 55 by 50 into 20. 0, 0, this is 11s, will come it as 22 centimeters.